come in the front door. There's a closet. Walk into the living room. Turn around to the back. And here's the dining area. There is a door on this washroom. And there's the kitchen. There's a little pantry. And then looking back, I'm going to walk back toward the front of the house. Go into the hall.
Just because.
Let's see. Hey, Melanie.
The yard's not that big.
Let's see if
He's
we
not
can
going to want a big yard.
turn this light on. This is the master bedroom. The tray ceiling. And this is the master bath with a nice walk-in closet and a jetted tub. And we've got the shower and bathroom. And we'll go back out. And down the hall. Straight ahead's the bathroom. And to the left is one bedroom. The walk-in closet. And to the straight back is the door to the patio in the backyard. And in the smaller bedroom they've got as an office. Here's the back door. Go outside. Nice little fence. Really tall too.